forget to pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. If you like drawing, I put these on my sketchbook, I put these on my window, I put these on my water bottle and my laptop. These are great. They are on sale until October 31st, 2022 at 12 o'clock. After that, they're going to be gone forever. So pick one up at the first link right down below in the description.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a skull wearing a pumpkin hat. Okay, it's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started, okay? If you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff, this is for you. If you like, easy stuff, this is for you, and this is going to be very short. It's going to be like 7 minutes, so let's get going, all right? I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to start with just kind of a straight line over here for kind of the top of the eye socket of the skull. It's really just a straight line. Let's just put another straight line over here right next to it. It's good for the other eye. Down over here, curve back, pull up. Over here, down. Over here, pull up. I've made down a little bit. I left an angle there for the nose. Gonna go over here, line across. Down for the nose area. Down over here. It's very triangular. Pulling down here, up. Now I'm going to go over here, curve. Excuse me, that cough. Curve. And I'm going to kind of separate the inner eye from kind of the edge of that, so I'm going to fill this in. By the way, if you love Halloween, hit that like button. Absolutely hit that like button if you like these kind of Halloween drawing lessons. Good stuff. Good stuff. Send it out to more people when you do that, and I appreciate it. You're going to go over here, line up, fill it in. Over here, curve for the brow. Curve here for the middle part of the brow. And I'm going to go down on the side of the eye right here. Pull down. Cheekbone. Cheekbone. Down over here for the tooth cylinder. Right here for the between the teeth where the teeth touch. Up. Down. Down. Chin. Angle up now. I'm going to angle up this direction. And then pull up over here. Line in here. Up. Fill it in. Down over here. Fill it in. And now I'm going to go right here for the teeth. Kind of pulling this like bump shapes for the teeth. Same thing for below. Gonna go right here and draw the dimples of the skull. There's like some dimples in that area. Looks like a mustache. And now I'm gonna go over here and draw the bottom of the pumpkin hat. Okay? It's gonna be on his head. Curve up here. Up over here. Line down. And now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve. Curve. And I'm going to go over here and draw the top of the pumpkin, these bumps. I'm going to go over here and draw the stem now. Line out, down, back, downward, so it's like the stem of the pumpkin. And so how do you represent the stem, right? Easy way to represent the stem is draw kind of lines the long way on it. And they don't have to be together, they can be separated, but it's essentially got that kind of tree root texture, right? Go over here to the eyes, in, out, up. It's just a triangle, literally. It's literally just a triangle. Same thing right here. So you got these eyes. I'm going to fill those in as well. Normally I wouldn't do that because I don't want to distract from these eyes, but I'm going to fill in. I just think it's a good idea. Yeah. Don't forget, by the way, if you want to represent Halloween and the season, go check out the stickers that we have for sale on sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com. Stickers are awesome. You can put them anywhere you want. It's amazing. It's fun. It's exciting. And yeah, go check it out. Gonna go right here. Triangle. Fill it out. And the mouth is here, really, so you don't really have to do the mouth per se. What we're going to do now, put some texture on this pumpkin, right? So it has some striations there, and I'm going to pull a line down. Line over here. Line over here. Over here. Line over here. And since it's, he's sitting on top of it, there's going to be a shadow right here, so I'm going to pull a thicker line right here off this side right there of the pumpkin, right here at the bottom. Just going to add some dimension to it, give it some shape. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give the, well, not the last thing, but right here I could throw a little thin line right there at the top of the nose. How about right here in the corner of the eye? Thin line, thin line. We're adding details, right, in the form of these thin lines going along the edges of stuff, right? Just thin, and they have to be thin because that will mean they're detail, right? If they're too thick, they're going to be too much of those primary lines, and you don't want that because it's just going to distract and screw up the design. Line over here, you're just kind of more or less just throwing these thin lines kind of all over the place. Maybe even I can use that as a stylized shadow for the intersection of that as well. And the last thing I'm going to do is going to draw a thick line on the outside of everything. And the reason I want to do that is because it gives it some, it gives it some authority. It gives it some, it merges everything together. So I do that a lot, and I highly recommend you do that sometimes. If you find yourself that you're like, hey, what's wrong? Throw a thick line around it. It just kind of helps the look of it. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you like learning this kind of stuff. I'm going to be posting 3 lessons a day through the Halloween season only. So absolutely do that. Keep up with the channel. It's fun to do these. It's really, really entertaining. I love talking to you guys as well. And yeah, it's just amazing to hear from people. So if you have anything to say, please say it in the comments. It's awesome. Whew. Alrighty, there you go. I want to thank you very much for hanging out. Say hi to me in the comments section, and hopefully I see you at sketchingeasy.com, and I'll talk to you in the future. Okay, see you next time.